So are white people. What a terrible question to ask. So are white people. More white people, by the way. More white people.
White privilege. Let's expose all the Karens and defund the police. White privilege. Bitch, Black Lives Matter. No justice, no peace. And 4 white hoes will never be 4 white housewives. Let's not forget about our black, queer, and trans lives. White privilege. For the world is full of pasty Elmer's glue who don't believe in following the rules and get away with crimes every day. Girl, us blacks are all just tired as hell. Arrest bad cops and send them to jail. White privilege, that shit's happening every day. White privilege. 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 Let's expose all the Karens and defund the police. White privilege. Bitch, Black Lives Matter. No justice, no peace. And 4 white hoes will never be 4 white housewives. Let's not forget about our black, queer, and trans lives. White privilege. White privilege. For the world is full of pasty Elmer's glue who don't believe in following the rules and get away with crimes every day. Girl, us blacks are all just tired as hell. Arrest bad cops and send them to jail. White privilege, that shit's happening every